Palantir Technologies, augmenting human intelligence, not replacing it. A company at the forefront of artificial intelligence, revolutionizing industries and redefining the future in real time. From optimizing airline operations to enhancing manufacturing processes, Palantir's impact is both profound and far-reaching, spanning industries that rely on complex, data-driven decision-making. At the helm of this innovative enterprise is CEO Alex Karp, a visionary leader whose perspectives are as intriguing as the technologies his company develops. He's not your typical Silicon Valley executive. He's a philosopher-turned-billionaire who brings an unorthodox worldview to one of the world's most secretive and powerful AI software companies. His perspectives are as intriguing and provocative as the technology Palantir develops, making him a unique leader in the AI-driven future. Rather than seeing AI as just a tool for profit, Karp frames it as a force that can shape history, influence global power structures, and redefine the relationship between technology and governance. Recently, Karp sat down with CNBC's Squawk Box to discuss his new book, The Technological Republic: Hard Power, Soft Belief, and the Future of the West. In this interview, Karp delved into the challenges facing Western institutions, the evolving role of technology, and how these elements shape his vision for Palantir. Alex Karp: the legitimacy of our institutions is under siege. Technology, while a catalyst for progress, also poses existential questions about governance and societal cohesion. Karp's concerns about institutional legitimacy reflect a broader anxiety about the erosion of public trust in traditional structures. This refers to a deep crisis of trust that is unfolding in Western democracies, governments, and even corporate institutions. This isn't just a passing concern, it's a foundational challenge that could shape the future of governance, security, and global stability. For Karp, the rise of technology and AI has accelerated this crisis. While technological advancements have the potential to enhance governance, improve efficiency, and strengthen institutions, they also pose existential risks, particularly in the hands of those who seek to undermine societal structures. He argues that many institutions have deviated from their foundational mandates, leading to a crisis of confidence among the populace. Alex Karp: when institutions lose their way, society loses its anchor. It's imperative that we realign our technological advancements with the core values that underpin our civilization. This is a powerful critique of modern governance, corporate ethics, and institutional stability. He argues that many institutions, whether they are governments, corporations, or international organizations, have drifted away from their core mandates, leading to widespread public distrust, political instability, and the failure to address critical global challenges. This isn't just about corruption or inefficiency, it's about a fundamental misalignment between what institutions were created to do and how they actually operate today. The institutions that once provided stability, security, and trust are now struggling to fulfill their original purpose, leaving societies adrift in uncertainty. However, there is a deep irony, if not an outright contradiction, in that Palantir, under Karp's leadership, is positioning itself as both a solution to this crisis and, potentially, a contributing factor to it. Palantir markets itself as a guardian of institutional integrity, claiming that its AI-driven platforms restore order to chaotic bureaucracies, protect national security, and provide governments with the tools to make better decisions. But here's the problem. It doesn't give a private corporation this much power over data and decision-making pose the exact existential risk that Karp warns about. On the one hand, Palantir undeniably enhances institutional effectiveness. Its AI-powered analytics, predictive intelligence, and real-time data processing help governments and enterprises function better. It steps in where traditional institutions fail, offering efficiency, clarity, and automation in a world drowning in complexity. It's a compelling value proposition. If institutions are broken, let's fix them with AI. But this raises another question. Who controls the fix? Karp warns that institutions are being hollowed out, that they are losing public trust, and straying from their original mandates. But in outsourcing critical functions to private AI systems, aren't these same institutions becoming even more dependent on external, unelected corporate power? By embedding itself into the core operations of governments, law enforcement agencies, and multinational corporations, Palantir isn't just fixing institutions, it's quietly replacing their internal decision-making mechanisms with its own AI-powered framework. And that is dangerous. It's not just about data processing. It's about who controls the lens through which institutions interpret the world. If Palantir's AI decides what data is relevant, what threats are credible, and what trends are important, then it's Palantir, not the institutions it serves, that dictates policy, strategy, and action. And that, ironically, is a threat to the very legitimacy that Karp claims to defend. His philosophy centralizes decision-making power in a private AI system that is not democratically accountable. And yet, it is still embedded in Palantir's mission in an outright way. Since Palantir does enhance institutional effectiveness, it makes governments and corporations more efficient, data-driven, and proactive. Central to their offerings is AIP Now, an advanced artificial intelligence platform designed to integrate and analyze vast amounts of data across various sectors. Whether in finance, defense, healthcare, logistics, or manufacturing, AIP Now serves as the bridge between raw data and strategic action. The platform leverages advanced machine learning, natural language processing, NLP, and predictive analytics to transform fragmented data points into actionable intelligence. There are several factors that make Palantir stand out from its competitors. For example, where traditional systems struggle with integrating siloed data from multiple sources, AIP Now connects everything, structured and unstructured data, into a single, unified view, making sense of huge datasets in mere seconds. Such real-time data integration and processing can now be used by logistics companies to track millions of shipments, anticipating delays, rerouting cargo, and reducing supply chain disruptions. Not only that, but AIP Now doesn't just analyze past data, it predicts future events with high accuracy. Its predictive analytics provide a baseline for future-ready decision-making as it identifies patterns, forecasts risks, and recommends proactive strategies before crises emerge. Also, AIP Now interprets and suggests courses of action based on AI-generated insights. Unlike traditional dashboards, AIP Now can explain why a decision is recommended, increasing trust and transparency in AI-driven decision-making. For example, AIP Now helped a US defense agency identify threat patterns that were previously undetectable, preventing national security risks. AIP Now stands out for its human AI enabling design. It is made to work alongside human operators, not replace them. And its intuitive interface lets users interact with AI models, ask questions, and refine predictions in real time. Last but not least, Palantir boasts military-grade security and compliance. It has long been a leader in data security, working with governments and defense agencies. AIP Now is fully encrypted, compliant with strict regulatory frameworks, and designed to protect sensitive data from cyber threats. As stated by Alex Karp himself, AIP Now is not just a tool. It's an ecosystem that empowers organizations to harness data, drive efficiency, and make informed decisions that align with their core objectives. But how does this translate into real-world success? Let's explore some of Palantir's notable collaborations. In the high-stakes world of aviation, efficiency, safety, and customer experience are everything. Airlines operate within razor-thin margins, where every delay, every mechanical issue, and every disruption costs millions of dollars and affects thousands of passengers. To tackle these challenges, United Airlines partnered with Palantir to implement its Foundry platform, a powerful data integration and analytics tool that transforms how airlines manage operations, streamline logistics, and improve customer satisfaction. According to Praveen Sharma, Vice President of Digital Products and Analytics at United Airlines, by utilizing Foundry, we are making the most of our data and providing actionable insights that help us to continue our efforts to improve the overall travel experience for our customers. This collaboration aimed to integrate United's data sources, enhancing operational efficiency and improving the overall travel experience for customers. Since integrating Palantir Foundry, United Airlines has experienced significant operational and financial improvements, including reduced flight delays and cancellations by leveraging predictive analytics and real-time decision-making, millions saved in maintenance costs through proactive aircraft monitoring, fewer baggage mishandling incidents, improving customer satisfaction, more efficient crew scheduling, reducing the number of last-minute cancellations due to staffing issues, enhanced passenger experience thanks to AI-driven customer service optimizations. Similarly, in the consumer goods sector, companies like General Mills, which produces household staples like Cheerios, Haagen-Dazs, and Nature Valley, operate in a highly competitive, cost-sensitive, and demand-driven market. Any disruptions in supply chains, production, or distribution can increase costs, delay deliveries, and erode consumer trust. Hence, General Mills partnered with Palantir to implement Foundry as well. And since doing so, they have achieved significant improvements across multiple areas of its supply chain, including 30% reduction in inventory waste by optimizing production scheduling, faster decision-making, allowing executives to respond in real time to supply chain disruptions, millions saved in procurement costs by identifying cost-effective suppliers, increased product availability in stores, leading to higher customer satisfaction, more sustainable operations. As stated by a General Mills executive, integrating Palantir's technology allowed us to harmonize multiple ERP systems, providing a unified view of our operations and enabling more strategic decision-making. Similarly, Panasonic collaborated with Palantir to streamline its manufacturing processes, bringing unparalleled visibility and optimization to its production lines. With Palantir's software, we gained unprecedented visibility into our operations, leading to improved product quality and reduced time to market, stated a Panasonic representative. And since implementing Palantir Foundry, Panasonic has achieved significant operational improvements, including 30% faster production cycles, 20% reduction in product defects, millions saved in supply chain costs, improved factory efficiency, leading to lower downtime and higher overall production output. These collaborations clearly underscore Palantir's ability to deliver tailored solutions that address specific organizational challenges. The platform's capacity to integrate disparate data sources into a cohesive system allows businesses to uncover insights that were previously inaccessible. Our goal is to transform the way organizations use their data, enabling them to not only adapt to the changing landscape, but to lead within it, states Alex Karp. This statement captures Palantir's entire mission to not just help businesses and governments survive in an era of massive data complexity, but to empower them to lead, innovate, and make decisions with unprecedented precision and speed. Companies are collecting more data than ever before, but they lack the tools to analyze and act on it efficiently. Similarly, large enterprises operate multiple software platforms, databases, and analytics tools, making it difficult to create a single unified view of operations. And if we're being honest, traditional data processing is too slow, preventing organizations from responding in real time to opportunities and risks. Palantir's AI-driven platforms, including Foundry and AIP Now, are built to solve this problem by giving organizations a competitive edge through intelligent data integration and analysis. So it's not surprising that investing in Palantir's technology has proven to be valuable. Organizations can customize the platform to fit their unique needs, ensuring that the solutions provided align with their strategic objectives. Palantir is proving that intelligent data integration isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. As Alex Karp stated, data security and ethical AI practices are at the core of what we do. Our clients trust us not just with their data, but with their mission-critical operations. As AI continues to evolve, one thing is clear: the organizations that embrace Palantir's vision, using data not just to react, but to lead, will define the future. Palantir is more than a tool. It's the engine driving the next generation of innovation, resilience, and global transformation.